Public Speaking Crash Course. Crafting a Compelling Opening. Introduction. Public speaking is an art, and the opening of your speech sets the stage for everything that follows. Crafting a compelling opening is crucial to grab your audience's attention, establish credibility, and create a connection. In this crash course, we will delve into the techniques and methods that can help you create a powerful and memorable opening for your speech. Along the way, we'll share interesting stories and examples to excite and engage our readers. Let's dive in. Story. Example. Imagine yourself attending a conference. The speaker takes the stage, and within the first few seconds, they capture your attention with a captivating story. It's a personal anecdote that relates to the topic of their speech. As they share their experiences and emotions, you find yourself immediately drawn into their narrative. This powerful opening hooks you in and makes you eager to hear what they have to say next. Crafting a compelling opening. Techniques, methods. 1. Start with a thought-provoking question. Pose a question to your audience that sparks their curiosity and engages them right from the beginning. Make it relevant to the topic at hand, and create a sense of anticipation for the answer you will provide throughout your speech. 2. Begin with a bold statement or fact. Grab your audience's attention by opening with a bold statement or sharing a surprising fact. This technique immediately piques their interest and makes them want to know more about the subject you're discussing. 3. Tell an engaging story. Stories have a captivating power that can connect you with your audience on an emotional level. Share a personal or relevant story that demonstrates the significance of your topic and resonates with your listeners. 4. Use humor. Humor is an effective tool to break the ice and establish rapport with your audience. Opening with a well-timed joke or a funny anecdote can help create a relaxed atmosphere and grab the attention of your listeners. 5. Use a powerful quote. Quotes from famous personalities or influential figures can add credibility and impact to your speech. Choose a quote that aligns with your message and use it as a springboard for your opening remarks. 6. Invoke emotion. Tap into the emotions of your audience by sharing a heartfelt story or invoking empathy. When people feel emotionally connected, they become more engaged and receptive to your message. 7. Start with a contrasting scenario. Present a scenario that highlights a problem or challenge, and then offer a contrasting solution or perspective. This technique creates intrigue and makes your audience eager to learn more about how you will address the issue. 8. Use rhetorical devices. Rhetorical devices such as metaphors, similes, and vivid imagery can make your opening more memorable and impactful. By painting a vivid picture in the minds of your audience, you can captivate their attention and set the tone for your speech. 9. Engage the senses. Incorporate sensory language in your opening to create a multisensory experience for your audience. By appealing to their senses of sight, sound, touch, taste, or smell, you can make your opening more immersive and engaging. 10. Start with a startling statistic. Presenting a surprising statistic or data point relevant to your topic can immediately capture your audience's attention. It creates a sense of urgency and emphasizes the importance of the subject you're addressing. 11. Use a provocative statement. Make a bold statement that challenges commonly held beliefs or assumptions. This technique stimulates critical thinking and encourages your audience to consider different perspectives. 12. Incorporate audience interaction. Engage your audience right from the beginning by incorporating an interactive element into your opening. This could involve asking them to raise their hands, respond to a question, or participate in a brief activity. It creates a sense of involvement and energizes the atmosphere. Summarization. Crafting a compelling opening for your speech is essential to captivate your audience and set the tone for your message. By using techniques such as thought-provoking questions, engaging stories, humor, powerful quotes, and sensory language, you can create an impactful and memorable opening. Tailor your approach to the specific context and audience to ensure maximum effectiveness. Remember, the opening is your opportunity to make a strong first impression and create a connection with your listeners. Poem. In a room filled with eager ears, a speaker takes the stage, dispelling fears. With a thought-provoking question, they begin. Curiosity ignited, attention they win. Stories unfold, emotions enliven. Laughter and tears, a connection deepens. Bold statements, facts, and quotes resound. Engaging the senses, a vivid world is found. A startling statistic, a provocative claim. Challenging assumptions, igniting a flame. Through interactive moments, the audience participates. A bond forms, as excitement permeates. Crafting the opening, an art to master. Setting the stage, creating a captivating plaster. With each word and technique carefully employed, the speaker's presence, the audience enjoyed. Song. Verse 1. On the stage, the spotlight gleams. A speaker steps forth, chasing dreams. A question lingers in the air. Curiosity awakened, they're all aware. Chorus. Crafting the opening, a moment of power. In those first moments, hearts devour. Stories unfold, emotions ignite. As the audience leans in, a connection takes flight. Verse 2. With humor and wit, they share a tale. Laughter erupts, barriers unveil. Bold statements made, facts laid bare. Surprising the minds, leaving them aware. Chorus. Crafting the opening, a moment of power. In those first moments, hearts devour. Stories unfold, emotions ignite. As the audience leans in, a connection takes flight. Bridge. Through quotes and imagery, they paint a scene. A world imagined, vivid and serene. Senses engaged, a symphony of delight. In their words, a captivating light. Chorus. Crafting the opening, a moment of power. In those first moments, hearts devour. Stories unfold, emotions ignite. As the audience leans in, a connection takes flight. Outro. So take the stage, seize the chance. Craft your opening, make hearts dance. With each word, create a lasting impression. And leave your audience in awe and fascination. Ending note. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.